Hi, Mahima. Welcome to this last session, as I call it, of the LFP, the Lifestyle Foundation Plan. If you can just
Hi,
introduce yourself.
hi, I am Mahima. I met Nishant Bhaiya through BNI, and I decided that I wanted to understand what a healthier lifestyle is. So and because I had heard a lot about holistic and a holistic approach to lifestyle, like a holistic approach to a fitter lifestyle. So that is why I thought, isko bhi, let's give it a shot, let's see what this actually is. And I am pretty happy with
Great. So, any particular reason, like you mentioned, that you wanted to give it a try, but did you have anything specific goal in your mind when you had joined this program or signed up for the program?
So I have done a few things before this as well. I have tried taking up one particular stream. Like say I have tried going to a dietitian, getting a proper diet plan, or maybe crash diet, that was a fad. Then in the middle, people suggested to go into intermittent fasting or maybe like a keto diet. So all of these things are very extreme for me, and I realized that it's something that I cannot keep up with on a daily basis. It's something you do for 10 days, and then
True.
you maybe lose a couple of inches, and then you go back to the regular old lifestyle that you have, because it's not sustainable. So
Mhm.
as Nishant Bhaiya had mentioned, that this is a lifestyle, this is not a diet. And this is what actually got me thinking कि चलो let's give this also a try. जब इतना सब कुछ करके देख लिया है तो एक और चीज करके देख लेते हैं. And when I came here, I realized that you do not concentrate on one aspect. Like there are various things that you do, and I get bored of things very easily. So the stages actually kept me interested in the entire process.
So it's more of a stage-wise progression instead of just
Right.
giving you a prescription कि जाओ ये सब कर लो. It is more like a hand-holding thing. So you did great. Amazing. So, basic experience, how was it overall through the 90 days or maybe 120 days because कुछ बीच में आ गया था. So, how was the overall experience?
Overall, I it was really nice because accommodations were made for everything. Like if I said that कि मेरे I want to wake up at 9 o'clock, I want to sleep at 2 o'clock at night, all of those accommodations were made. It wasn't said कि नहीं, this is आपको यही करने से guaranteed results मिलेंगे, वरना मैं आपको results नहीं दे सकता हूँ. Everything is made according to your lifestyle and according to what works best for you. So this is not one thing कि बस ये करो तो आपको result मिलेगा. मतलब यहाँ पे सबके लिए, because everyone leads a very different lifestyle. So this is something which can be done by anyone and everyone.
No excuses, basically. सबका उपाय
हाँ.
है.
Like I
Yes.
remember, भैया, I will to sleep at 2 o'clock. ठीक है, you sleep at 2 but you wake up at 9. ठीक है, are you comfortable with 9? Okay, fine, I'm comfortable. तो वो वहां पे फिर you realize कि सामने वाला is doing, making compromises for you. So you will automatically understand कि इसको how can you incorporate that into your lifestyle, and you cannot make excuses because Nishant Bhaiya will work around it to get you to do what he wants.
Yes, that is important because there is always a way out. We don't need to really have a very strict
Right.
outlook towards healthy lifestyle because everyone, as you said, has a different life. So one rule fit all cannot work in this case because uh, that does not mean that sleeping at 2 and waking up at 9 is an ideal situation. But
Right.
for the beginning, at least fixing up the sleeping routine is more important, and as you progress in your journey you yourself will optimize your timings better and better over a period of time. So instead of just taking you to a level where you sleep at 10 and get up at 6, uh, it will you will probably not do it even for 10 days because it will
Right.
be a burden on you. But at least first thing is fixing up the time of sleep is most important. So that is what you did, and now in your journey you will automatically optimize it. Once you start feeling that the benefits of sleeping on time and waking up on time. So दो का एक हो जाएगा, एक का 12 हो जाएगा. That you will automatically do it on your own once you get the
Correct.
realization. So that is the process which is important. That you should set yourself on a journey which you can constantly improve. It's not that कि 90 days में जो कराए दिए बस अब वही हो गया है और वही सब हमेशा रहेगा. It is more of a foundation building, as it is also called as a lifestyle foundation plan. And then you are trained to, carry on this journey for life on your own and improvise at the same time. Because now the basic concepts are known, I guess. So you yourself can improvise. Like one person was asking me to renew the plan. I said, "इसमें renew करके क्या होने वाला?" Because I've already given you whatever you wanted, and I've set a lifestyle. Now it is you can do it on your own. You don't really need to renew the plan for any purpose. Then she agreed, yes, you are absolutely right. So coming to your benefits which you were mentioning, so did you have anything specific in mind and did you achieve that goal?
But I'm sorry, the network cut off.
Yeah, sorry. So I was asking that about the benefits that you were talking. Did you have any specific goal or benefit in mind and did you achieve that?
The thing that I wanted to achieve from this program was that I wanted to set a routine lifestyle for myself, which was getting very difficult because I tried doing 10 things at the same time. And I thought, isko karte jaungi, तो eventually I'll somehow manage. But वो 10 things, incorporating it into your lifestyle at one go, that was very hectic. तो वो 2 days 3 days जब तक वो जोश हाई रहता था, I used to do that. But after that, ठीक है, it just fizzles out and I'm like, ठीक है, अब we'll try again after 10 days. फिर वो after 10 days आता ही रहता था. But over here, because one things or maybe like two things were introduced at once, it just became easier. And after a week or like say 10 days, when you just do those things without even thinking about it, that is when you move on to the next stage.
Right. So
So
it's
it just becomes more
yeah, so more not like a prescription based, as we were saying, not like a prescription
right.
based plan, and more like absolutely customized, and as you can gradually upgrade yourself from one level to the other. So you coming to your benefits, you said that you could set up a routine, and so this routine is how is it helping you? What are the more tangible benefits?
You automatically start feeling fresh. Like you just get more energy. If you pehle, when I used to sleep at like 4 or 5, or
Mm.
maybe I used to sleep at 10, and then I used to wake up at 6, or if I'm sleeping at 4 in the morning, I'm waking up at 12, 1. So, you just get confused. कि अब आगे क्या करे? How do you progress? You wake up at 6, what do you do after that? You wake up at 2, you've missed half of the day, what do you do after that? But now when you're waking up at say 9, you know what you need to do next.
So the
And plus
productivity
a
has
few other
gone up
things
probably.
also. And one more thing from the program that I really liked was the gratitude that we gave out, or like the reflection that we did. So when you reflect upon yourself and your activities of the day, the
Mm.
next day automatically becomes more productive because
Right.
ठीक है, one day you've not done things, but when you reflect upon that, you realize that ठीक है, if I take these actions going forward, I can probably get a better outcome of the next day.
So it's
So that is also
so
one thing.
overall productivity went up, your energy levels went up, is what is the direct benefit. So did you come in mind with weight loss? I need to ask this question because that's something in everybody's mind.
Not at all. So when I had joined the training itself, when we had a word, I told you that weight loss was never my goal. My entire goal was to create a healthier lifestyle for myself.
Mhm.
Because in the times that we live in, creating a healthier lifestyle is not given that much weightage rather than what weight is given. Like weight is given more weightage rather than your health.
Right. So actually, those who haven't experienced, what you're just saying, like better energies, better productivity, feeling more positive because you're focusing on the positive things of life. So people actually don't have these things to compare. They are not even aware of these things to compare with. So once you have experienced this, now probably you would understand that weight loss is just one of the issues, and that will also come by, with time when if you're living a good lifestyle, वो भी अपने आप आ जाएगा. It's not that it is something which you have to do different to get that, but getting higher energy levels, getting higher productivity levels, feeling more positive, these are certain things which people are not even aware of, and that's why they can't compare with the weight loss. So they feel कि weight loss is सब कुछ होता है. But hopefully you have experienced it, so now you will know that how इनका value क्या होता है, and feeling positive and feeling energetic throughout the day. Cool. So, okay, so whatever we did, is it sustainable? I mean, that is one thing what people also want to know, that जब तक program कुछ करते हैं तब तक तो रहता है benefits, and once the program is complete, then you go back to square number one. So what do you have to say for that?
So this program was 100% sustainable. मतलब इसमें you do not need fancy ingredients to sustain in this diet. You do not need fancy equipments to sustain in this diet. You do not need anything fancy to be in this diet. Like you just have to lead a normal, simple life, and you just have to be conscious about what you're doing. And once you're in that, the entire basis of this thing is tapping into your consciousness.
Nice.
I think that is the main thing that I have derived from this. You be conscious. वो जो 25% वाला भी food का the thing that we did, you have to be conscious of what you're putting on your plate. Gratitude, again, tapping into your consciousness. Uh, you know, reflecting upon your day, again, tapping into consciousness.
So these
Once you
are
achieve that,
neither time consuming, I guess, neither it is too much on effort, neither it is too much on cost. Those are the three things which I think make a program sustainable. कि अगर cost high होगा या बहुत ज़्यादा time लगेगा या बहुत ज़्यादा effort लगेगा, so obviously you can't do something for long.
right.
I think I tried to make this workable by not having any recurring cost, not involving a lot of your time, and not involving a lot of effort, both physical and mental. I think I was able to do that.
Very, very successfully.
Great. So then I can take a promise on camera. It is being recorded that you will pursue this for life.
I will.
Great. So that is very important because health is not a one-time course, health and fitness. You become a doctor, you just study doctor once, the entire course of 4 years or 6 years, whatever it is, and you're a doctor for life. You study your law for 4 years and you're a lawyer for life. But as far as health and fitness is concerned, it's not a one-time thing and we have to do it for life. So whatever
Right.
program we go for, until and unless you can do it for life, it will not be a great
Beneficial.
experience overall. Cool. So one major learning you had from the program, if you can point out
One major learning,
something which came as a new thing, and that was one of your learnings.
I would still say that routine है तो सब कुछ है, because when we were discussing what step needs to be taken, you had given me two options. Either we start off with strength training or we start off with the lifestyle foundation plan. And when I discussed my routine with you, you said that तुम्हारा तो routine ही नहीं है, उसके बिना what will you do with strength training?
Correct.
Like it will make absolutely no difference if you just go into strength training and do not focus on your routine. So
Correct.
that is how I personally got into this program, and I realized that हाँ, routine तो कुछ था ही नहीं, and routine नहीं है तो कुछ करके भी you will not get any benefits.
True.
Maybe temporarily you will get it, but not in the long term.
Great. So you understood the importance of routine and more of a fixed lifestyle, like a predictable lifestyle. Because if your lifestyle is unpredictable, your body is unpredictable, your mind does not know what to do. So routine is more about like a predictable lifestyle, and that can give you 1,000 more benefits. So that is what you want to say. Cool. So one message for others, like passing on the flame. It's if you have got something you have learned or benefited, how you can motivate or inspire others also, because that's also our duty to keep inspiring and passing on this flame if we have learned something out of it. So what can be that one message?
One message for everyone. I think don't focus on short term and easy solutions. Take a longer route, but it'll be effective for for your entire life. Just taking a shortcut and saying कि मैं 10 दिन detox कर लूंगा and then 1 month or like 1 year I'll eat unhealthy, that's not going to work for you.
But
like
just I would like to interrupt where you used two words. One is shortcut and one is easy. So do you think I mean, it can be long cut but easy, like in
yes,
your
it can
case?
be.
Yeah,
That is actually true. It can be long, but long and easy,
yeah.
but maintaining the dedication in a long-term thing, like the 3 months ka jo course that was there. I personally feel that even though it is extremely sustainable, a few people might lose track,
Hmm,
even though it is really easy.
hmm.
But just stick with it.
Yes, that's true
Just stick
because
with it.
as you said, it is easy. So many people find it difficult to accept that easy
Except,
things
huh?
can be also effective. So that is the problem which I face with many people, with a few people, of course, that I'm half the time goes in convincing that easy things can also be effective.
Long term and
Yeah.
effective.
So
So
that is
you just have to
definitely
stick with it and see that you will actually gain benefits out of it,
yes.
even though it's easy. People think कि difficult होगा तभी आपको उससे
Yeah.
benefit मिलेगा.
So that's a great message for others, and I hope this will definitely make more people realize that easy से भी काम बनता है.
काम बनता है.
Easy से ही काम बनता रहता है because difficult तो आप long run में कर ही नहीं पाओगे. That is
कर ही
the
नहीं
thing.
पाओगे.
So easy से ही काम बनेगा. Great. Right, Mahima, thanks a lot for sharing your experience and hope this will inspire many more. And
Thank you. Yeah,
and we have taken up your promise that you will continue this for life. So maybe
I
after
will.
6 months after this also I'll take a call from you as to कैसा चल रहा है.
Definitely, whenever.
Cool. Great. Thanks a lot and all the best.
Thank you, Bhaiya.